And amid the ongoing Kumbh Mela in Uttarakhand, senior police officials have raised concerns about the COVID situation in the state, while thousands of priests and devotees took the holy dip in Ganga for the Shahi Snan. The authorities fear the spread of COVID as many are seen without masks and not adhering to COVID protocol. Kumbh IG has raised an alarm and has also admitted that in such a situation, checks are not always possible. Meanwhile, the Mahant or the main priest of the Kumbh Mela has also tested positive.
आज भीड़ की वजह से हम चालान नहीं कर पा रहे, प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है। एसओपी के पालन करने के लिए लगातार अपील की जा रही है, लेकिन घाट एरिया में आप देख सकते हैं सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। खासकर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की कोशिश करें तो गंभीर हादसा या स्टैम्पिड वाली स्थिति आ सकती है, तो उससे हम लोग बचने के लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को घाट में चाहते हुए भी हम लोग इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। लेकिन जो मास्क है या फिर हमारा कोविड एप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर के लिए हम लोग लगातार अपील कर रहे हैं।
All right, for more on this, I'm joined by Shivani Azad, who reports for Times of India. Shivani, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Since morning, we've been seeing some alarming visuals from Kumbh, and we've also heard senior officials, authorities admitting that it's very difficult to enforce COVID-appropriate behavior at such a large gathering. What have you been picking up from Kumbh, and what is your assessment of how the security apparatus is at the moment and the situation at Ground Zero?
So currently 17 lakh pilgrims have already taken holy dip in Haridwar today at the moment. And if we talk of the akhadas, 6 akhadas, the members of 6 akhadas have already taken the dip. Now coming to the point of COVID norms, the security-wise things are okay, but when we talk of the COVID norms, whether the guidelines are being adhered to or not really, because we can see in the footages very, very clearly that no one is wearing masks, especially the members of the akhadas. They are taking dip in a very small place, the Brahma Kund, wherein, thousands of people are together taking dip. That's one thing. And secondly, if you talk of the major challenge the officials themselves are saying is about social distancing. It is very, very difficult to follow the social distancing, which is clearly visible. If they even try to implement social distancing, it is not possible. Stampede will occur, though they are trying to ask people to wear the mask and all. So this is the situation right now. Another 7 more akhadas are yet to take the holy dip in Har Ki Pauri today. So let's see what next.
Shivani, is it possible for you to give us a tentative number as to how many people are participating in the ongoing Kumbh Mela and the kind of steps that the authorities and the government have taken in this regard? Because everybody knows that the country is going through an unprecedented second COVID wave. So what kind of number are we expecting or is at the moment in Uttarakhand?
Well, if I talk of just Haridwar and specifically for Mahakumbh today, since this is the second Shahi Snan happening today, already 17 lakh people have taken dip at Har Ki Pauri since morning. So I'm talking about just today.
Oh.
So that's the number, which is alarming because, of course, everybody who's taking dip is not wearing mask while taking dip. And moreover, because everybody is keen to take dip in Har Ki Pauri, so that's where it's a very small space, not even half kilometer in totality. So everybody is thronging in the same place. Early in the morning, we had Ganga Aarti, wherein a lot of people were there. Thereafter, the place was vacated because the Akhada seers had to come and take the dip. So even if you see the seers, they are also failing to adhere to the norms just because, of course, as of now, for them, the priority is to take the dip. However, the COVID norms are actually going for a toss.
Right. Shivani, as you speak about seers and sages taking dips, we also know that Mahant Narendra Giri has also tested positive. What more can you tell us? It's reported that he had met a lot of high dignitaries and various people while he had contracted COVID. Are these reports correct?
It's very correct that he has contracted COVID. And what was alarming today to see was that in Niranjani Akhada, we had some seers who were yesterday and day before with him only. They also took the dip along with them. Many other seers were there. And if we talk of the dignitaries, there are chances that there will be many other seers as well who have caught COVID. However, when I spoke to the CMO today, he's saying in Akhadas, there are just 8 people who had contracted COVID. Though in the evening, we get the evening bulletin at around 7 o'clock. That's when the picture will be actually clear, how many have actually got COVID here in Haridwar.
All right, thank you so much, Shivani, for that update and giving us those very, very crucial data points and information from Uttarakhand. So that was Times of India's Shivani Azad, who was telling us about the number. Around 17 lakh people are expected to be present in Uttarakhand at Kumbh Mela and Haridwar alone for the Shahi Snan. That's a very alarming number. And she also told us how the authorities have rather admitted how difficult it is to enforce COVID-appropriate behavior in the presence of such a massive gathering. We'll keep tracking these updates from Kumbh Mela, and the visuals on your screens are of that Shahi Snan, and we'll keep tracking these updates as and when more visuals come in, and how authorities are trying to enforce COVID-appropriate behavior.